Turkish Delight, Lokum. After talking about savory food, how can we not mention desserts? Turkish people are famous for their love of sweets, and their soft candy, known as Turkish Delight or Lokum, is a traditional and well-known dessert. With a wide variety of flavors, the Turks can make any flavor you can think of. It's not just available everywhere you go, but it's also the perfect choice to bring back home as a souvenir. The soft and tender texture, when paired with a cup of authentic Turkish coffee, helps balance out the sweetness. This is the most authentic way to enjoy it, and it's absolutely delicious. Turkish Delight, also known as Lokum, holds a special place in Turkish cuisine and culture. Its history dates back several centuries, and it has become an iconic treat that represents the indulgent side of Turkish gastronomy. Traditionally, Turkish Delight is made by simmering a mixture of sugar, water, and cornstarch until it thickens into a sticky syrup. Various flavors such as rosewater, lemon, orange, pistachio, and mint are added to create a diverse range of options. The syrup is then poured into shallow pans and left to set overnight. Once firm, it is cut into bite-sized cubes and generously coated in powdered sugar or a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. The allure of Turkish Delight lies in its soft, chewy, and slightly gelatinous texture. Each bite offers a burst of flavor, enhanced by the delicate aroma of the added ingredients. The combination of sweetness and fragrance creates a delightful experience for the taste buds. In addition to being enjoyed as a standalone treat, Turkish Delight is often served alongside Turkish tea or coffee. It is also commonly included in dessert spreads, where it complements other delicacies such as baklava and Turkish pastries. Sharing a plate of Turkish Delight is a cherished social tradition, whether among friends, family, or guests. When visiting Turkey, you can find Turkish Delight in local confectionery shops, bazaars, and even some supermarkets. It is typically sold in beautifully decorated boxes or packages, making it an ideal gift or souvenir. The variety of flavors and vibrant colors make it visually appealing as well. So, if you have the opportunity to try Turkish Delight, I highly recommend indulging in this delightful confectionery. Immerse yourself in the rich flavors and cultural heritage it represents, and savor the unique pleasure it brings. İskender Kebap, also known as Bursa Kebap, is a classic and iconic dish that originated in the Bursa region near Istanbul, Turkey. It is renowned for its rich tomato sauce and thinly sliced grilled meat, which are the perfect combination. You may be familiar with Xinjiang-style grilled flatbread, where small thumb-sized pieces of bread are arranged at the bottom of a plate. Lamb fat is melted in a pan, and then a generous amount of tomato sauce, salt, fennel seeds, and other seasonings are added. Once it boils, the sauce is poured over the bread. Then, the thinly sliced lamb is grilled on a griddle until it changes color and is placed on top of the bread. Finally, hot tomato sauce and melted butter are poured over the meat. The white blocks on the side are yogurt. The ideal way to enjoy İskender Kebap is to take a bite of the meat, followed by a bite of the bread, a bite of the pepper, and a bite of the yogurt. It is a satisfying dish that is neither greasy nor heavy. İskender Kebap is popular both within Turkey and internationally. It has become a beloved dish representing the rich flavors and culinary traditions of the region. If you have the opportunity to try İskender Kebap, I highly recommend experiencing the unique flavor and perfect combination of textures of this dish. The Chinese translation of İskender Kebap is İskender Kebap, and its English name is İskender Kebap. As for Kızarmış Balık, it is a general term for fried fish, as in Turkey, besides frying, grilling is the common way of preparing meat. Kızarmış Balık, or fried fish, is a common general term in Turkey since frying and grilling are the most popular methods of preparing meat. As for the specific type of fish used, there are various options, including horse mackerel, bluefish, and squid. Basically, any fish caught in the Mediterranean Sea can be fried by Turks. The process is simple: the fish is cleaned, seasoned with spices and lemon juice, lightly coated with flour, and then fried until golden brown. A sprinkle of salt and pepper is added after frying to enhance the flavor. It is recommended to drizzle some lemon juice over the fish when eating for an extra burst of flavor. When enjoying fried fish, you can choose to accompany it with some traditional side dishes. One common pairing in Turkey is hamsi pilavı, which is fried fish served with rice. It is a simple and delicious combination where the rice absorbs the flavors of the fried fish, adding a delightful texture. Additionally, you can pair it with a traditional Turkish sauce called tarator. This sauce is made by mixing crushed walnuts, garlic, breadcrumbs, lemon juice, and olive oil. It adds a rich and flavorful element to the fried fish. If you want to explore more Turkish seafood dishes, you can try midi dolma, which is stuffed mussels. It is a popular street food where the mussels are filled with rice, spices, and fresh mussel meat, then deep-fried until crispy and golden. Squeezing some lemon juice over it before eating enhances the taste even more. Fried fish is a classic choice in Turkish cuisine, whether you're near the Mediterranean coast or in an inland city. It is a simple yet delicious dish that showcases the flavors of Turkish tradition. Give it a try, and you will be captivated by its delightful taste.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.